Imran Khan is a former cricketer, politician, and philanthropist from Pakistan. He was born on October 5, 1952, in Lahore, Pakistan, to a Pashtun family. Imran's father, Ikramullah Khan Niazi, was a civil engineer, while his mother, Shaukat Khanum, was a housewife. Imran grew up in a privileged household and received his early education from the Aitchison College in Lahore. Imran was a talented cricket player from a young age and went on to represent Pakistan in international cricket. He made his debut in 1971 and played for Pakistan for nearly 20 years. Imran was known for his exceptional all-round skills and was one of the best cricketers of his time. He led Pakistan to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup, which remains the country's only World Cup win. After retiring from cricket, Imran turned his attention to politics and founded the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party in 1996. He initially struggled to gain support but eventually rose to become one of the most influential politicians in Pakistan. Imran campaigned on a platform of anti-corruption and social justice, which resonated with many Pakistanis who were frustrated with the country's political establishment. Imran's political career reached its pinnacle in 2018 when he was elected as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. He won a convincing victory in the general election and became the first cricketer to lead a country. As Prime Minister, Imran has focused on tackling corruption, promoting economic growth, and improving social welfare. He has also been a vocal advocate for peace and stability in the region. Aside from his political career, Imran is also known for his philanthropic work. He established the Shaukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital and Research Center in Lahore in memory of his mother, who passed away from cancer. The hospital provides free cancer treatment to patients who cannot afford it, and has become a symbol of hope and progress in Pakistan. Overall, Imran Khan's life has been one of remarkable achievement, both on and off the cricket field. He has made significant contributions to Pakistan's development, and his legacy as a national hero is secure.